Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting YML file into PowerShell format. You can see on my computer I have a YML file. I can open it with Notepad just to show you what is inside. And inside there is some states data, US states from Alabama to Wyoming, and lots of data. And then I have a YML viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of your YML file into table-like form, and also I can export this table into other different formats if I want to. But basically, I will be using this YAML file into PowerShell script. There are like other library I can install and access the YAML file from PowerShell, but I don't want to do it because in this case I will have to install this library on server. I have to deploy YML file on server within PowerShell script and make sure it's placed into the same directory and it has all access, and so on and so forth. But I prefer to convert it. If I have a small YAML file, I prefer to convert it into PowerShell and have one PowerShell script with data portion of it and with other applications that doing some things with the data. So in order to do this, I will download application from this website. I will link site on the description. To find application, click on PowerShell, and I click on search and type PowerShell, and then click on PowerShell page. You can see there are a lot of applications for converting data into PowerShell. I will be using this YAML to PowerShell, and click on download button to start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on PowerShell converters and YAML converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you want to see more application like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can see application archive has been downloaded. I will click on download the archive to open it, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting a screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we have to select input YAML file. I will click on this button, navigate to my folder where my file is, and select it. Then click on next step. I can select multiple files if I want all of them converted into PowerShell. Click on next step. Here I can select which columns I would like to convert into PowerShell, which the YAML fields. So I will select state name, state code, region, subregion. Click on next, and here I can preview created PowerShell file. You can see it's using the name of the file to create structure and add all data into the structure, basically creating PowerShell script. So click on save result, save PowerShell, and you can see file has been saved. I can close this. Let's go and see file. So I can open it with Notepad just to show you what is inside. This is the same we saw in preview. Or also I can add it into PowerShell environment. Now, for example, if I want to add some code that accessing this data we created, I will add for each, and then, for example, variable s in states, right? We have state structure, and then this variable will have everything I need for specific record. So I'll be enumerating through every record, and for example, if I want to write host them, write host, I can do, and if I want to write states name field and, for example, state code, right? I can do this. And then I hit run, and it's showing me everything from data I converted. So yeah, basically that's it. We have our data converted, and I can add my code that accessing this data and doing something with the database, or doing some stuff I need. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.